Hey fam, it's Miss D here to get you in step with an instructional video of a basic line dance move. All right. Now, in this one, we are covering the sailor step. When next time you're in class, your instructor calls out sailor step, you're going to know what to do. Okay. It is a triple step, which means it has 3 steps to it, but it's done in 2 counts of music. Okay. 1 and 2. Those are the 3 steps. Those are the 3 counts that you do the sailor step in. All right. So, so you're going to start. You can do it on either leg. We're going to start with our right leg. Let me turn around so you can follow along. Okay. So the first step is you're going to step behind your left foot. Okay. So that's the first step. That's one. The second step, you're going to step out with the left. And the third step, you're going to step back to the side with the right. Okay. So it's back, out, down. Okay. So back, cross back, step out, and then step down to the side. Okay. And the idea of a sailor, if you're on a boat and you're swaying, that's the idea of a sailor step. Okay. So it's back, step out, and then down. Do it on the left side, back, cross back, step out to the side, and then step down and shift your weight. Okay. So 1 and 2, 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 1 and 2. Right? That's the sailor step. I'm gonna show you from the side. Back, side, down. Back, side, down. And again, stay on the balls of your feet if you can. It'll make it so much easier, especially when you're doing these. You usually do them in a fast line dance routine. All right. So you can also start it on the left, right? Left, and then right, right? That's a sailor step. All right. So now you are ready in class. You're going to know. Whew. Thank you so much, guys. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Let me know how we're doing. I appreciate you. Hopefully, you appreciate me. Y'all be good. See you next time. Mwah.